Welcome to this channel, and in this video I'll be taking you through the complete beginner's guide to WPS. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for WPS Office. After clicking your search button, search for WPS Office, then allow it to load. So here is it, and then after installing it, you now open it. So here is how the application looks like after you install it. So we are going to open the application now. Okay, so after opening it, this is how it looks like. You'll see all the recent files. Here are the things and the works that I have done. So what you are going to do is to click on this create for we to create a new document. So then you click on this document I highlighted there over there. So after clicking on it, you are going to click on this blank page. I've made a video about this before, but I just want to go over it again since this is a complete beginner's guide. So now you have your page. You can type anything here. It's a page. Anything you do here, you are going to be able to print it or convert it into PDF and send it to someone or anything like that. So first of all, click on this button at the left hand side down there, and then it's going to pop up. You are going to see the menus, which is we have home, we have file. If you drag it to the right hand side, we have insert, we have view, we have review, we have pen, and all of them. So we are going to start from home. Once you click on home, first of all we have the size of what you are typing. For example, if I choose 48 now, anything I type, you are going to see that it's going to be bigger than the one I've typed before. But if I want all their sizes to be the same, what I'm going to do is to highlight everything. How do you highlight? Click for a very long time and then start dragging it to the left hand side or to the right hand side. So if we go there now, let me zoom back. Okay, so if we go there now, any size I click, you see that it matches. Maybe I choose 26, 36. So that is how the size works. Hope you understand. And another thing is the font. Here is where you place the font, this Calibri. So if we click on this Calibri now, there are a lot of fonts, a lot. I can click this. Maybe let's make an example. All right, so let's highlight everything. So once we click, you see that it changes, the font changes. So this is how to change your fonts in WPS. After everything, you want to remove go back, you click on the arrow there, and then it will take you back. Then if you want to bold your text or make it italic, here is where you do it. So you can click on bold, click on italic to make it italic, and then you can also underline it by clicking under you. And then if you don't want it to be bold, you can unbold it by clicking the bold button again, clicking the italic again, and then clicking the underline again. This S is just a slash, and if you don't want it, you can click it back. Hope you get my point. I hope you get my point. So next is the text color. The text color over here. How do you want the color of your text to look like? Is it green? Is it blue? Is it red or black? But black is the automatic color that's supposed to be on every text, but in case of the work you are doing, that's why. And then this highlights is going to give the color to where you highlighted, highlights everything. So if you don't want it, you can simply click here and then it will remove. So and then this multiple, I want to show you, that one is called line spacing. Line spacing. Stick with me and continue to jot. So I'm going to teach you that one now, how that one works. So if we highlight everything now like this, so what we are going to do is to click on that multiple, which is line spacing, the spacing. For example, if I click on 175, you are seeing how it's moving down gradually. It's going to give space to your words, how you want the space to be, and if you want it very closer to itself, you can choose it by yourself. I hope you understand. And then this place is in form of a sample. Maybe you want to use the sample they recommend to you, you can click on it. And then although Me, I don't like using sample. I want it normal so that I can do my own by myself. Now what I just did just now is what we call undo and redo. Now maybe you make a mistake and you want it to come back, you can click on this and it will undo and then redo again. So that is it. I hope you understand. Stick through. In case you don't understand, rewatch the video again. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section or chat me up on WhatsApp privately via my line on my YouTube channel. So after then, well, let's move to the next step, which is this place. So we have, this is bullets. If you want to see everything, you are going to click on these three dots so that you bring out everything for you. So we have the bullet. Here is a bullet. So let me show you how the bullet works. So for example, so let's come to a new line and then maybe I choose this bullet. So maybe I want to type something now. Name. Once I click on my enter button now, sorry, once I click on this enter button there, it will bring another bullet, type another thing, bring another bullet, type another thing, bring another bullet until I don't want it again, and then I'll cancel it. So that is how the bullet works, and then you can change it anytime, anywhere. You can change it. There are many different types. You can see this type, see this type, see this types. You can text them after this. And then we also have page number, that is, it will number one. Maybe we'll say number one ABA, number two TWO, and then number, it will continue to number until it comes to the place you want it that will satisfy you, then you cancel it. So that is that. And another thing is these columns. This one I'm going to teach you on the next video because this is not part of beginner's guide, but as time goes on I'm going to make a video on that so that it will not confuse you. And another thing is file manager. It's file manager, sorry, file. Under this file is where you can save your work. If you don't save your work and everything got cancelled, you might lose everything. You might not be able to recover what you have done. So if you do have done your work, one of the first thing you need to do is to click on save and then click on the location, either my documents or my phone. You can click on my phone and then locate the folder where you want to save it, and then they might suggest a name for you, but make sure you save with the name that you can remember. After clicking on the name, then you click on save down there, that button save, click on save, and then your work will be saved. And another thing is that as time goes on, even though you type a letter, you need to be clicking on save so that it will be continue to save. And the shortcut where you can be, this is a shortcut for save. You will not need to click the location again. If you just click the button, it will just save automatically. Hope you understand. But if you want to save to another location, you can click on this save as. And another thing is to export to PDF. I've made a video on how you can export to PDF. You cannot use this export to PDF to export to PDF. We also have export to image as well. I've made other videos like that. You can check my shorts videos and then you see them there. And then insert. So in this insert, there are many things encoded. You can insert a picture, an image from your gallery. I've made a video on how to insert image from your gallery before, so let me just delete it. So you can insert, and then you can insert text box. You can insert a box and write a text before you continue as well. So I don't want it, so let me undo it. So that is that for you. Then you can insert a shape as well. Which kind of shape is it? This any type of shape you want, you can also insert it. And then a lot, and then a table as well. I've made a video on how to insert a table. You can go and check my other videos, and then you can click on this blank page to give you another page. Maybe if you are done with this page, you want to go to another page and continue your typing. So that is how that one works. So we have header and footer, of which I'll be teaching on another video because